everyone. Welcome back. This is a special, I guess, episode of Fork It, which is my old live stream podcast about open source stuff, but also just in general. I wanted it to be like a debugging sort of podcast, try to fix some bugs, see what's going on. I think I need to show my comments here. There we go. Using StreamYard's new setup and want to make sure everything works. So this is my second attempt for the advent advent of sysadmin by sad servers 2025. We'll see what problems we run into and how they work. Let's grab the screen here, throw myself in the corner, and we should be good to go. I did figure out what I was missing on this first one that I did not find was that the Docker container had the Nginx config bind mounted in. If you watch the old stream, I was trying to like edit in place inside the container. I was trying to copy it out, copy it in, and every time it was failing for various reasons because it was bind mounted to my host. And I should have checked that because if I would have edited on the host, I would have got the port right and got that one, but I didn't. So, and then the second one I got, it was a PHP port was all the problem was, if I remember correctly. I tried a bunch of stuff, SE Linux, firewall, all sorts of stuff, and it just ended up being that PHP was configured to listen on 9000. It should have been 9001, something like that. So we're going to try this one. And it's a fix. Access is email. I don't know. Does that mean I can log it? Could I SSH into it? I don't know. Is all I want for Christmas is you, already everywhere, a bit unrelated. Someone messed up the permissions on their server. The admin user can't list new directories and can't write into new files. Fix the issue. Besides solving the problem, in your current admin shell session, you need to fix it permanently, as in a new login shell for user admin, like the one initiated by the scenario checker. Should have the problem fixed as well. Have root access, test the admin username in a separate bash login session should be able to create a new directory in your home admin directory, as well as being able to create a file in this new directory and then text the file. Okay, let's see. Where was that third one? Oh, so I should be able to, you have full access to real Linux machine via NSSH. How do I actually know how to SSH to it? I don't know how that works in sad servers. It's been a while, and yeah, so we'll see. I have a theory already just going into this. I mean, it could be permissions on the directory or something like that. That seems a little too easy. But my initial thought is something like, where's the defaults permissions stored? Oh, but that'd be on a shell. So you can see here, the parent directory is owned by root, which may be a problem. So if I go up one directory, list out, admin is owned by admin, but look at admin has read write execute on it, which is true. It should be able to. But if I go into admin, I can touch a file. What? Wait, I thought I said it wouldn't be able to. Yeah, here you go. So, and then the permissions are essentially blank. And there is a configuration file that sets what all new permissions are. What do they call it? The mask. That's what it's called. UMask. So I need to change the mask for all users. And I think, man, if I remember correctly, that's in Etsy skeleton. Skell, that's it. No, that is what you get set as what your new directory basically gets. But there's somewhere else where the ulimit is not ulimit, sorry, umask is set, and I don't remember exactly where that is. So I'm just gonna go search for that. Is it called umask? I think it is. The default umask is 777. Where is that set? Let's see. Oh, no, that's not. I want to type umask. And it's opposite, right? So I believe 777 is going to be a blank. That is, but isn't umask opposite of what you set? I'm trying to remember now. By default, most systems have, yeah. So here you go. So you set it to the opposite of what you would want, and that's in the etsy bash rc. So that's sudo vi etsy scale bash rc. This would be for new users. Mask. It's not in here. Or let's go back and try my personal one. Bash rc. Let's see if that just works. How do I get a new login shell? It's bash L. There you go. Still no. Do I have it set somewhere else? No, because this shell got it properly. Or 775. So that's right. A umask of 022 allows only you to write data. You must just go and you share data with other users, same group. So when we're setting that, so if I do, can I change umask? No. I don't think you can send anything, can you? Oh, you can. That gets set. Can I just remove it as sudo? Okay. Still 777. File 7. Nothing. That's weird. But if I do 0222, there it is. Now I have it. Okay, so it was. Oh. Is there something in file? Oh, what? I can't. Right? Oh, it does? It still allows me. I'm still the owner. But why don't I have 0 permissions on that file? But I'm still able to remove it. Very strange. Let's go back and make sure I'm doing what I need to. Fix permissions. A new login user admin should have the problem fixed as well. So master permissions server. Admin user can't list new directories. Can't list new directories. So it's the directory umask. Is that a separate? I don't think it's a separate thing. So if I make dir foo, did I fix it? Is bash.l a new login shell? Well, let's just check. Check. Incorrect. Okay. Nope, not that terminal. Because I didn't add the last two on there, did I? Right? Umask is now 222. Because that's what I manually put in the terminal, right? Incorrect. I need this terminal to go away. You're not part of this. What else would it be? Which is very strange, because if I umask 222 make dir blah, don't go into it, I can read and execute that directory. Isn't it bash-l? Oh, geez, not that. I have a feeling. Connection closed. Well, that'll get me back. If I just go out enough. That's set. This. That works. I can touch this. That. Oh, yeah, I don't have write access. Should I have write access? It's not really what it's asked me to do. User can't list new directories and can't write into new files. File. I can write into a new file. My file is read only still. So I just have a wrong umask here. Hey, what's up? What am I doing? I'm trying to beat or fix SAD servers guides for sysadmin. UMS for root user 022. Default UMS for a normal user is 002. So if I find my terminal again, actually I need to move this window so I don't have so many tab things. There we go. vim.bashrc 002. Oops. I keep typing that. Okay. Touch file 2. That has write permissions. So I should be able to echo something. Let's append it. Seems fine. Make dir another. That seems fine. Are you good now? Incorrect. So, why are you typing it that way? Weird. Does it have to be in profile? (02) into dot profile. Check. There you go. They need to be in profile. They weren't loading the bash RC. So that's it. 3 minutes to spare. Sweet. Server destroyed. Let's go back. I don't know why it always keeps me back here. I want to go to Advent. Okay. Wolui. What? Let's fix this one. Description: a pipeline created a lot of Docker images locally for a web app. All these images except for one contain a typo introduced by a developer. There's an incorrect image instruction to pipe hello world to index HTML-Z instead of the correct index HTML. Find which image doesn't have the typo and uses the correct index HTML. Tag the correct image as prod rather than fixing the current prod image, and then deploy with prod p so it responds correctly to HTTP requests on port 3000 instead of check my solution. Okay, so a bunch of images. I wonder where this pipeline is. That going to be part of the init script of the container, or is that something else? I don't know. I really should figure out how to SSH into these. As a constraint from the servers, you cannot go out to the internet except when indicated. DNS is available locally. Also, do not interfere with services unrelated to this. Okay. Let's see. Where did my other window go? There we go. Open. Get it? Get it to come up. Come on. Or not. Oh, what? It's open twice. Whatever. Docker PS. None. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, so what I have to do is I'm going to have to loop through all of these. So I don't think I need to touch that one. Interesting that this one is from 5 weeks ago. All the others are 4 days ago. So what I probably want to do is, oh, I hate the browser sometimes. Can I? Don't tell me I have to do that. Docker images. There's a, oh, how do you say no? All filter format string. Q is the image ID. There we go. Okay, so if I want to for image in this, do docker run remove t image. Oh, where would it be? Wait, let's just run one of them first. There you go. See, this is why I want to be able to SSH with a real terminal instead of trying to escape all this stuff in a browser. Let's just say bash. There's probably no bash. Let's do shell. Come on. Oh, it's not interactive. Shoot. Ah! I closed too many. Where'd the other one go? There we go. Oh, nope, that one didn't work. Does it write that? Yay. Oh, it doesn't. My ZSH would expand that and show me the command so I can edit it, but I can't do it in here. IT, that's what I needed. And this is really annoying. There we go. Okay, so all I should have to do is just run ls on all these. So for image in Docker images, q do echo image it image ls done. Oh, there. Nope. It's going to be the one from 4 weeks ago. It's got to be. It's got to be the last one. Oh, no, there it is. Ah, come back. Cancel. Let's just let it finish. Come on, how many images are there? Oh my gosh. Forget you. Where'd it go? There you are. Index HTML. I want this one. Copy. What am I supposed to tag it as? Prod? Tag it prod. Docker label. Is it label or tag? Check. Woo! There we go. Hey, that was record time. Let's see what's next. Gotta go back up here. Advent. How long have we been going so far? 22 minutes. Not bad. This is a hack. Sweet. Has granted you limited sudo access. This is intended to allow you to read log files. Your mission is to find a way to exploit this limited permission to gain full root shell and read the secret file root secret text. Copy the contents of root secret text into home admin solution.txt file. The admin user must be able to read the file. No sudo. As the user admin md5 sum solution returns. Okay. Let's see. Which is this? This one. Run. How do I, let me, how do I SSH? How do you SSH connect to SAD servers? How do I? No, but where are? If someone knows, leave me a comment. I don't know how. About scenarios, dashboard, ranking, newsletter, documentation. Don't SSH in production. That's it. SSH into your VM. Haha. You can connect to running instance with what is public SSH key you indicated in your dashboard. I don't know if I did that. User, the default user for the new VM. Default is admin. Okay. So let me, whoa, big screen. Okay. Where is running saved scenarios, organization? So I don't know where to put my private key. I need to generate a new private key. I don't know. We'll go with the terminal for now. I don't see it on my dashboard. I really don't. Oh, I get dark mode though. Nothing in the dashboard. Did this not go? It did. Did it open twice again? Yep. There we go. Okay. I'm admin. Don't have a password. That's just a shot, you know. No. What should I be able to do? I should be able to tail? Nope. Sudo cat? Nope. Sudo bash? Nope. What else would someone let me do without to be able to read logs? Var. Let's see. That's owned by root. These are owned by ADM. What? I'm in that group. Change group. Nope. Can't change the group. I should be able to see the directory. There we go. It's owned by root. I'm just checking. It's still owned by root and root. I have no privileges there. So I do need to, I'm in the sudoers group. Can I, how do I find out which commands are available to me? Is that possible? It's got to be possible. I'm intentionally not using any of the, I'm trying not to use the AI stuff because that's obviously going to be more telling me the answer, I think, some of the times. But I can't even, I can't cat, I can't. I don't know a way to list what I can do in sudo without trying to get the full help. I can't run cat. Is there a, I feel like there's got to be a cleaner way to get a list of all the commands I can run. And if I can get all the commands, then I'll know which ones I can use. I just got to find which ones I can sudo as. Like I could, what is this? So 683 commands. I could for loop it and sudo each one. I mean, it's an option, right? Who else is logged in? No one. Well, what about SBIN? That might be a better spot to look. Only 284 of those. I know I don't need the vast majority of them, but they're generally more protective. If I could read my sudoers file, I would know exactly what command I can do. I can't read my sudoers file. Right? There is no way. How does it know? Does there a debug mode? Sudo? No. Oh, sudo. No, that's sudo edits for editing the sudoers file. I don't have a password, so it has to be something that allows me to do no password. But again, that's going to be set in my sudoers file. I'm going to get a hint because I actually don't know how to do this. Is there a hint? No clues. No clues for advent scenarios. Oh, okay. So they don't let you do any clues for this entire thing. Oh, jeez. I don't even know how to get that. All right. I'm going to do it. I'm going to ask which chat should I ask? Oh, that's not right. Where's my hiding my chat history and logs here? Let's just do clone. Let's see. How can I think the number one thing that most AIs get right is just like the LLM in general is just the context is easier. Oh, I can L? I can sudo L? What? Oh, sweet. Okay. Okay, less and everything and less in var log. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that helps. Can I list it? Okay. There's a README that goes out to here. User share doc system D. I can run shutdown and I can run less on var log. I didn't know sudo -l. This is great. I wish I could. Wait, what are the permissions on that folder? No, it's owned by root. So I can't write into it. My thought was I could make a symlink in this directory to point somewhere. And I could, if I point it to root, whatever file I'm trying to look at, root secret. Can I? Root. This can't work. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. That was my thought. It's like, oh, cool. I'll just put a file in there that reads the thing that I want. That README is like tempting me. I can read these. Admin read on these. This one, I have write. No, I just have read. I was like trying to see if I could change an existing file to be a symlink. somewhere. That doesn't look like the case. What else am I missing here? And it says gain a full root shell and read the secret file, which makes me think something in here. Oh, look at, can I do something on the journal? Why does it have extended permissions? What? Oh, that's the user. What am I reading? These are going to be binary files, right? Yeah. Okay. That's probably why. I can't. I can't get anything under there. Yes. Alternatives. Man, I don't know. I actually don't know where to go from here. My only thought is I have these CloudInit logs, which maybe I'm stuck on trying to elevate my permissions. I don't think there'll be anything in here. Oh. Could I get one of the SSH keys and then SSH in? I can't check the sudoers file. So far, all I know is I can. This is the only thing I can do, basically. Is this? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know exactly what to do. Sweet. I bet I can. Can I change this file? Can I change what less is? I can't write to it. Only root can write to it. I thought if I have access to that file, I can't move it. User bin less. I can do everything under var log. And I can't. I could do everyone has access to shutdown or oh, that's a shutdown. Okay, that's a symlink. Symlinks will have that permission. I can't change system control. So where would I go from here? I only have user bin less. I can't override the path on it. Like if it was just like a generic less and it found something else on my path. Trying to figure out if I can think of a way to get less to do more. Less to do something else than what it is designed to do. That's all I can think of. Because I don't think I can do it. Yeah, it says I have user bin less. But I can't do something like cat bin sh over Oops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted that. I can't do that. Like I can't just like overwrite the binary and say give me a shell, because then I could sudo less and get a root shell. Oh, my time ran out. Time's up. Shoot. All right. Didn't get that one. Okay. That one had me stumped. I'll have to look that one up later. You can destroy. Let's go back to admin. Find the AWS EC2 volume. What is this? I have to do something. We have a lot of AWS EC2 instances and EBS volumes. The description of which volumes we have, save a file. AWS volumes. One of the volumes attached to an EC2 instance contain important data, and we need to identify which instance is attached to its ID, but we only remember the characteristics, of course. Find the correct instance. This should be some JQ magic. Running returns. Okay. So I just need to find the instance based on these characteristics. We have a bunch of JQ. Oh man, it's let's see. I hate JQ greater than syntax and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out something. I wonder if there's a. I actually would probably be better off with the AWS CLI. I think I know their formatting syntax better than JQ. Oops. 22,000 lines. Sweet. All right. So I need to be able to, let's just filter out, because I bet there's a bunch of them in here. I could sort by volume type and IOPS. How does this go? This is going to be, oh geez, it's been a minute. I need all of them. And again, JQ is just slightly different than what AWS CLI does. Which one is it? Which syntax is this? Let's do a JQ where key has value. Find the key in JSON data that has specific value using JQ. I don't want to check the presence. How do you use JQ? Find the key based on value. Key. Is that right? Is that going to output the thing? Filter specific value. Select. Is that right? Okay. Now this is, oh, you know why? These are all under volumes, that's why. Is that it? There we go. Okay, so that gets them. Is that right? Okay. There's a way to output multiple. I need volume ID. Is it a volume ID? And this would be size. Is that right? No. What is that? What is that syntax? It's a comma. Oh, it's just a, okay. But these are curly bracket. Does that work? Nope. Does this work? Where would that go? It would go here. Volume ID and create time. No. Do I have to do the whole thing? I know there's a shortcut for this. Ah. And this is exactly one of those things that like AI is amazing at. I don't want to use it, but I could just like paste this in and say, give me the JQ query that gives me this, right? Like that would be ideal. But I'm searching these things. I don't want, so users, see that should. Oh, there we go. I need the pipe and then escape those. Pipe, escape. Right? Oh, I don't need to escape the back. Is it before the dot? Yeah. Any quotes? There we go. All right. So, let me get it again. And I could do create time. Volume type. What else was I looking for? Created before, volume type is GP3. Created before, that's size, IOPS, and throughput. I'm running out of space down here. Okay. It's getting me closer. Size, or that's type. Size is more than 64. I can't grep for more than 64. I can JQ for that. Argmax. Oof. select. So I got to pipe select. I can do that before this. This is getting fun. Select. Does this work? Equal GP3? Nope. Do I have to put it in front? Okay, let's look for size, dot size. Yeah. Dot size is greater than 64. Okay, there's one. Select. I don't know if IOPS is less than 1500. Narrow it down. Throughput is greater than 300. Dot. Throughput. Yeah, 300. I don't know how to get that. I don't know, created date. I need type. Volume type equals GP3. No, this one. JQ select location equal. Oh, I need quotes. That's why. There we go. Okay. And now I need to. Oh, but see, these are all still. Oh, that's only a few. I could sort those. What was it? This volume ID, comma, this create time. How do I do it? Oh, I need quotes around it. This has quotes. There we go. Comma. That, I think. There we go. All right. What date am I looking for? Created before 31/9/25. These are all 10. This is 30th. There it is. I need to put it in where? Echo into my solution. Check my work. What? 7.4. I'm wrong. What? Echo. They need volume ID. Oh, they need the instance ID. Shoot. Not the volume ID. Oh, where do I get that? This information. Attachments. And I just need ID equals this one. Yeah, that's right. This. B657. That's still wrong. What? It's before. It's the only one that's before 9. That's my volume ID. This volume ID. B9B. It's attached to this, which is what I put in here. And it's encrypted. What am I missing? Characteristics. Yep. That's weird. This is wrong. Man, what? This one is 1,000 IOPS, less than 1,500. Throughput is 500, which is greater than 300. Size is 128, which is more. Oh, less than 64. There it is. Oh, this guy. I'm assuming that's the only one. Keep doing that. Quick, don't run out of time. Oh, I still have plenty of time. All right. This is the last one. It's another hack. You are logged in as user admin. You have been tasked with auditing the admin user privilege on the server. Admin should not have sudo root access. But I'm logged in as admin. Exploit this server so you, as the admin, can read the file root secret text. I don't think I'm gonna get this one either, but we're gonna give it a shot. It'll catch me up to the 7th. Is it the 7th already? Oh, it's not for me, but it's all right. We'll try. Oh. Mm. Here we go. My new favorite command. Whoa, I got nothing. The admin user are the following commands. The only thing with no password is shutdown. What? I'm not good at these. Switch your user's root. Password is blank. I don't know. I'm in the sudoers group, which is probably not. Oh, Docker. Oh, hey there, Docker. Okay. Images. Aha. Docker run volume mounts root into root and volume mount. I bet that was what I had to do on the last one. No, because I only had less access. I don't know if I was in a Docker group or not. I just mount home admin. Alpine has an E. Remove it. Give me interactive. See, it's always easy with root or with Docker. Into home. What's supposed to be my solution? No, that's not what I want. I just want to make sure. Chown. I should be able to read it. There we go. Secret into my solution.txt. Is that right? Check the. Do not modify this file. What? Home admin solution text. That's wrong. That file is wrong. A41. It's the right thing, but they're checking the wrong file. will this actually? Okay, see, now it's fine. See, I changed the file. There. Okay, wait. I know. Now it's okay. Check. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but their check was wrong. All right, sweet. Wait, I want to go back and see if that other one has it. I bet this other hack one has Docker access. I'm just guessing at this point now. You can go away. It was asking specifically for sudo, but if they give me Docker group, it's just you're just owned if you give someone Docker. It's just how it works. All I need to do is ID. Do I have it? I have Docker. Look at that. See? Oh, I don't have any images. Can I get Docker pull? That's why. Okay, so I'm not connected to the internet. So having Docker group in this one wouldn't matter if I don't have images. I still need to figure out why or how to use less to get what I need. Okay, sweet. Well, let's see here. Thanks everyone who came live. The 2 or 3 of you, that was fun. And thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully you learned something through this process. I know I learned a couple things, so it's always fun to try out. I will still try to do some of these other scenarios. Again, it's the December 7th on the Advent calendar so far, and so I'll probably come back next week sometime and do a few more. This one took me about an hour to get through 5 of them, or to at least fail at one of them and get through a few more. So we'll see how many more we can do. So subscribe on YouTube. That's where I'm mainly streaming this. I'm not really planning on making these like anything else. Like I'm not gonna put them as regular videos. I'm just doing them live. If you'll want to watch them later, they can. It's just kind of fun. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell if you want to join live, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.